This is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, let's find the default calendar app. In most scenarios it's going to be Google Calendar. So, well, here it is. Then sign into your Google account if you haven't already. After that, choose the date that you would like to create an event for. So I'll go with 29th of March. Then at the bottom right corner of your screen, tap at this plus button, choose the event option. Then add the title to your event. Choose the time frames for it to occur. Then you can set the time zone. Set your preference for this event to be repeated or just be a one-time deal, for example. Then invite some other people to attend the same event. Add the video, add a link to the video conference. Add location. Set your reminding preferences for this event, or to put it in simpler words, decide when you would like to be reminded about this event automatically. Perhaps send some color for this event to stand out. Add a description. Attach some file, document, or photo, and then just save the event. Now it can be found at your calendar. You can check the event's details, edit those details, or entirely remove the event. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. If you have any questions or suggestions, do not hesitate to leave them at the comment section below, and I will see you around. Bye bye!